What are called the investment trap and how do they affect your wealth creation process? Is avoiding investment risk a bigger threat on your long-term return? To get solutions to these problems, we have our financial expert Mr. Chintan Arira with us. Chintan, please help us find a way to tackle these challenges.
That if today 100 rupees allows me to eat the full pizza of 10 slices, at 10% inflation, next year I will not get 10 slices, I'll get 9 slices. The year after that, I'll get probably 8 slices and it keeps going down. So we are basically, without doing nothing, reducing our ability if we are not investing in inflation beating investments, right? Money kept at the home, money kept in the bank, money not invested is a huge opportunity loss of wealth creation for all of you. That is one big takeaway from the first slide. If you look at the second slide, very simple slide, and all of you would agree. Why is it so easy for all Indians to invest in gold? Why is it for all Indians to invest in fixed income instruments? Because that's traditionally what our generations of forefathers have been doing. They've been buying land, they've been buying gold, they've been investing in fixed deposits. It's good that there is a saving culture and there's an investment culture. But familiarity is what allows us to basically invest. What brings those familiarity? One is, of course, what you've seen since childhood. If since childhood, for example, your parents are vegetarian, it's more likely that you are going to be a vegetarian. If since childhood, if you've seen parents, go out abroad for holidays, it's but natural you will also continue with that same tradition. Now, when I was young, there was no concept of traveling abroad. The only concept of vacations was going to our granny's house in Gujarat or going to our mama's house. So that used to be basically the concept of holidays. But today, if you see the concept of holidays, it's changed in terms of going to various places, etc. So that's the change which happens with generations. But in the case of investment, because we are so hardwired in terms of our understanding and what is lineage, and nothing else is taught to us. There's no one who is coming to us and telling us do this, do that, or we don't have the right advisor. Most of us will have a family doctor, but very few of us will have a family advisor, financial advisor. And in today's day and age, having a financial advisor, and because we have family doctors, we don't have financial advisors. And that makes it difficult for us to do the right things with our money. Because as financial advisors, they will basically use their understanding, experience, and knowledge to ensure that your money is invested in the right place, and also, and more importantly, to stop your money from being invested in the wrong place. And there's a concept of herd mentality, which I will speak ahead, in terms of it's very easy for all of us to start investing in a place where all our neighbors are investing, all our friends are investing, everyone is talking about. And if everyone is talking about something and everyone is investing there, it becomes easier for us to make that decision. It's called herd mentality. So familiar things which you keep hearing, things which are hereditary or come from generations, because we are comfortable with it, we absorb it and we basically assimilate it in our daily lifestyle easily. Be it eating habits, be it language, all kinds of things which are personal are very easy when it comes with heredity, etc. But to go out of the comfort zone is difficult, and hence investing is difficult, because investing as a concept is neither taught, and very few of us are basically taught to investments as heredity.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.